Hi, I'm Mike Song, and today we're counting down the top 5 Microsoft Copilot tech tips in 5 minutes or less. Let's get started. Tip number 5. Excellent prompts are so important when you're using AI. But where will you store those prompts so you don't have to create them over and over again? Well, Microsoft Edge browser has a great answer when you're using Copilot. Go up to the little plus sign in the upper right-hand corner, the Collections button, click on that, and create a new collection. To create these fantastic prompts here that I can copy into Copilot, all I did then was click on the 3-dot button and select Add Note. And then I can create anything I want as far as a prompt to copy and paste into Copilot. The next 4 tips are for the advanced version of Copilot that is embedded in various Microsoft apps like Outlook and PowerPoint. Tip number 4. Use Copilot inside of Microsoft Outlook to design email messages, create them faster, and get them out to people with a more targeted and professional feel. If you click on the drop-down, you have 2 options. You can draft the email using Copilot, or you can get some coaching from Copilot. They're both really valuable. For example, maybe you're being a little too terse or tense. Coaching by Copilot can suggest some different ways you could word that email. If I click on Draft with Copilot, I get this great little box, and here's how I use templates. I can click on my template button here, which you can also find under this area here in the newer versions of Outlook. I click on View Templates, and I've created a little prompt here. I click on the prompt, and then I can just copy and paste that prompt right into the Copilot request. And there you go. I've got a really great email that's targeted. It's written in the way that I like. It's got some bullet points in there. And it's talking about this great new class I have for Microsoft Copilot in a way that's really going to attract buyers. So don't forget, you can create templates using that My Template feature by simply creating the template once, scrolling down and clicking on the plus template button inside of a Microsoft Outlook email, give it a title, hit save, and you're on your way. Tip number 3 is all about having Copilot take the notes for you when you're in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Here's how you do it. Click on the 3-dot button and select Record and Transcribe, and just start that recording or transcription. So this meeting is being recorded, and guess what? Copilot is listening to it. If I say that my action item is to send Beverly the Helix project proposal by September 1st, that's my action item. And when you're done with that meeting, you can click on the 3-dot button again, go to Record and Transcribe, and select Stop Recording. When you click on Copilot, it opens up the Copilot control panel, and don't forget this important More Prompts button. So if I want to recap the meeting so far, list action items, or suggest follow-up questions, Copilot will start doing the thinking for me. So I'm going to click List Action Items, and wow, there are my action items summarized by Copilot. Truly amazing. Now go into PowerPoint and click on the Copilot button. And click on the Create a Presentation About button and just type in Miranda Rights. This is sort of a legal thing, but it's a really great idea, and we're asking you to create a presentation about Miranda rights. We hit enter, and let's see what it comes up with. And wow, just like that, I've got a presentation about Miranda rights. It's a good starting point. Thanks to Copilot, I have a great start for my presentation. My final tip about Microsoft Copilot is that if you go to the Microsoft365.com homepage and click on that Copilot icon, if you have the advanced version of Copilot, you can ask it questions about information that you've stored in SharePoint, OneDrive, Teams, Outlook. If I ask it what's happening with the Helix project, here's what it returned: all this information on that particular project. By delving into all of my files and everything that I've stored, that's truly amazing. Thanks for watching our 5 in 5 video, and remember, I'm Mike Song, and I'm in your Tech Corner.